Welcome to our channel. I am coming with paragraph writing. Today my topic is visit to Puri. This is very important topic for junior level and intermediate level. This paragraph will come various titles, either visit to Puri or visit to seaside, or write a paragraph about your experience of visiting seaside. Anyone will come. Okay? So students, listen carefully. I am going to start our paragraph visit to Puri or visit to seaside. Every year I go to Puri in summer vacation. I am a nature lover. I like the beauties of nature in seaside very much. So I go to Puri with my family again and again. We go Puri by our private car. In the morning we start our journey. I sit beside the window and see the natural beauty. I like it very much. After reaching Puri, we book a hotel near seabeach. I like to see the beauties of nature from balcony. In the evening, we feel the gentle breeze from the seaside. At night, we hear the sound of waves very loudly. In the morning, we go to seabeach to see the sunrise. I carry camera in my all trip. I captured the photographs of sunrise and beautiful sceneries of sea beach. After that, we take our breakfast and go to sea beach for bathing. This is most exciting moment to me. I enjoy to play with waves very much. My cousins also go with us. We make sea castles and decorate it by seashells. We collect oysters from sea beach. In the afternoon, we go to sea beach to see the sunsets. The sun becomes orange and red and finally it is disappeared from our vision. In the evening, we see the dark sky in the seaside. We can observe the stars from the sea beach. We feel the gentle breeze. It is very useful for our health. The views and breeze take me to a different state of mind. The pleasant air keeps our mind fresh. The fishermen catch fishes by riding boats. I see the boats play hide and seek behind the waves. We visit Jagannath Temple in Odisha. It is a famous holy place for Hindus. We visit many historical places in Odisha. The architectural beauty is very nice there. Every year we visit Puri for 5 days. We spend these days happily. So viewers, we have finished our paragraph visit to seaside or visit to